Hi, good evening. How are you both?
We're doing great. Thanks for asking. And what about you?
I'm also great. Thank you for asking. Yes.
So, as we're meeting first time, so please introduce yourself first.
Yes, definitely. So, I'm Anisha. I'm from Maharashtra, currently stay in Mumbai. And I'm housewife and I'm mother of two kids, simultaneously YouTuber because of I'm very much eager to learn this language, that's why. And talk about my hobbies. So, I like play piano, I like play with kids, and I like ride cycle. This is about me. Thank you. Yeah. So
Okay.
I would like to know about both sides also.
Okay, ma'am. Thanks for giving me opportunity to tell about myself. This is Maliha bin Masud. I study in 7th standard. And there are four members in my family. They're my parents, me and my brother. As you can see, this is my brother, and his name is Muwaj bin Masud. He also studies in 7th standard, and we are siblings as well as we are twins. And if I tell about my parents, they're both an educated person. My mother is a teacher, and as well as my father is a professor. And we are from Bangladesh. And do you know about Bangladesh?
Yeah, I heard about it, Bangladesh. I know, and I spoke also so many people in video call, audio call as well. Yeah.
Okay, so ma'am, could you please tell us that I want to know from you that what do you do to improve your spoken English every day?
Actually, earlier I was doing means listening and if there were good videos, so if helpful, so I was means I try to jot it down in my notebook. But nowadays I don't get more time, so I'm my focus only listening and speaking. So two method I'm following nowadays. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
So, ma'am, your mother language, that means mother tongue.
Marathi. My mother tongue is Marathi, but I speak Hindi also.
Okay, so how many languages can you speak in?
Only two, and now this is three. So three language. Yeah.
So, as I have known from you that your mother tongue is other language. So, how have you learned this language, especially English?
Because before means 2 years ago, I was finding means I was thinking I need to do something new. But I wanted to do any job. I'm doing job as well, but that is a small job. So other side also I want to do something. So I was thinking. But unfortunately I find out this language, and then I very much impressed. And then I thought, oh, it's okay if I learn this language. So definitely I will be speak. So I started learning this language, but it was my zero level when I started. Yeah.
Yeah, I have
Yes.
understood.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. You tell me, what are you doing learning this language? Yeah.
Yes, actually, to be honest, nowadays we are just doing speaking, try to speak in English all time with me, with each other. Also, we can sometimes we speak English with our parents also. And but because of time, we don't listen. Just we practice English. But after a long time, we are having a session on because a long time we are not having a session because so we are so busy with our studies, and some days ago our exam has finished, and right now we are going to school. This is why we are not connecting to anyone. Just you can say nowadays we are just trying and speaking English practice.
Hmm. So how many language do you speak?
Actually, we can mainly speaking two languages. Our mother tongue Bangla, and the second language is English. But I can also speak a little bit in Hindi.
Hindi as well. Okay. Okay. So I have one question. Means how come thought in your mind? Means both created channel and both are talking to others. So how come thought this thought in your mind? Who
Honestly,
motivated?
honestly that you have you know that we are kids, so actually we won't be able to get motivated by ourselves. Somebody will give us motivated, inspired, told us to learn this language. So like this way our father, we actually, we have been learning this language for 6 months only. So before 6 months ago our father told us to learn this language and also to create a YouTube channel. So this is why we are learning now, and you can say our father motivated us, and also I was some motivated channels English speaking practice. So you can say these things motivated us to learn and to speak in English.
Okay. So why not you both created separate channel? Why you created same channel, one channel, and both are there talking?
Yes, you know that actually this is our first channel, so this is why we created same channel. And when we will make two channel, it will be very difficult to us to manage. So most of the time we are busy with our studies. So actually, I can upload, I can actually edit video, I can make thumbnail and so on, but my sister can't do it. This is why I had to create just only one channel.
Yes, yes, and actually great thing also. And both, I think, my opinion, I think both are your twins. So if you do everything both, so is great for you. I think, yeah, in future time also, yeah. So
Great,
because
ma'am.
earlier, when you called me, so I can't receive that call and I can't see also. I can see also. So I was talking to my friends, and then after this 8:30 immediately I remember. Oh, I have to talk to that those children. So then I was excited. Then I told them, okay, okay, I need now. I have to hang up this call immediately. I need to join because I was very excited talking to you. Yeah.
Thank
Yes.
you so
Yes.
actually when you called us and sent a message, we didn't get notification. But something is happening. This is why we don't get notification.
Yes. Yes. Absolutely. So another one question: what do you want do? Any means in your future time? Because now both are seventh standard. So you will have to do study more. So then, what is your plan? Both plan.
Yes, actually, to be honest, my future plan is to study in abroad. Also, I want to become an engineer.
Oh, okay. And sister?
And I also would like to go to abroad just for study, and as well as I would like to become a doctor. Can tell.
Oh, okay. Okay, okay. And okay, because both are means twins, so both side thinking is not same, different.
No, no.
Thinking
Okay,
is
I
okay,
have
okay.
seen that most of the boys want to become engineer, and most of the girls, you can say every girl want to become a doctor.
Okay, okay. That's it. So have you visited in Mumbai in India?
Uh, no, actually, we don't have any passport visa, and we no need to go there in Mumbai. But you will be glad to know that our father has gone to Kolkata for 2 times.
Oh yeah, I've watched your one video there. You said, yeah. I think you and said there also some place there no need to visa. But in India, there you have to visa.
Yes, we should take visa and passport.
Hmm. Okay, okay. So, and last question now, holidays going on. So, why you are connecting at night?
You know that we have to go to a school at generally we have to go to school at 9 o'clock. So, but still now we are going into school at 11 o'clock. So 11 to we return from school 6 o'clock. So 11 to 6 p.m. this time we stay at school. We don't connect to anyone. We don't watch mobile. We don't stay at home. Okay. And before 11 a.m. we actually study, and we are very busy with our morning to get ready to go to school. And after returning home, we feel very tired, and then we also have to take a tutor, or so we have to study. Then we have to take for 5 minutes, then we have to go to our reading room for study again. So I think night is best time for us and for any kind of student to take session and to do other work in online.
Hmm. Okay. So your parents speaks English?
Yes, they actually can speak in English, but a little bit.
Okay, okay. Okay, if you have any question, you can ask me. Then I have lots of questions for you.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you that how many members are there in your family?
In my family, there are six members, including me. My mother-in-law, father-in-law, my husband, and my two children. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Then. Okay.
What does your husband do?
Normal work, not any company, no anything, nothing. Because actually, my all family they are staying in my hometown. I'm staying in Mumbai because of I'm doing job baby caretaker. So I'm staying there 24 hours. So nowadays, this job actually I'm doing. I have been doing last 9 years. So nowadays I get time. So I thought, why I waste my time? So I started learning this language. But yeah, I'm
So
enjoying.
could you ask that what's your hometown, ma'am?
In Maharashtra, Raigad. Yeah. Do you know? Do you heard about it?
No.
Yeah, in Maharashtra. Okay, so how is their weather and how is their culture in Bangladesh? Please tell me.
Yes, weather means we have been suffering from actually very hot since yesterday. Actually, we have heard that sometimes it will actually continue for some days. Actually, and here is too hot. We can't stay at a moment without fan, AC. So it is sometimes it very difficult. And could you please share with us that what about you? What's your weather there?
Same, same, very much hot. Yeah, yes, sticky and hot. So today little bit foggy type, but today little bit normal. But last 2 3 weeks very much hot. Yeah.
Yes, actually, yesterday's previous day we got just rained for 2 times, and long time it is not raining.
Oh, yes, okay. If one time rain fall, then after that again very much hot started. Yeah, I know.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So now is this summer season. So we do not miss you do not to go any other place because holidays going on. So some children they goes nani's house, nana's house means somewhere. So both do not go there anywhere.
No, actually, we are very busy, with our studies, and we have to manage our YouTube channel, and speaking English. Also, have to do other work in our household chores. So, actually, to be honest, we don't get enough time to go there. But whenever we get, actually, our parents also busy with their work. Their teachers say they have to go to school well every single day, college every single day. So actually we don't get enough time to go there, but whenever we become free we try to go there.
Mm-hmm. Can I ask you a question regarding YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay, so when did you create channel?
Actually 6 months ago, at October month.
October.
2000.
Okay. Okay. So, and how many subscribers there were?
651.
Okay. So how is channel going on?
Nowadays, I have noticed that YouTube has changed its actually rule algorithm. So this is why I have actually reviewed all channels. So I have seen that in long form video they are not getting more views, and I am also.
Yes. Mm-hmm. So how many minutes you make video? Do you make video? How many minutes?
How many minutes means?
How many minutes video do you make? 10 minutes or 15 minutes now?
See, nowadays I'm uploading actually for a long time, for 1 month. I am uploading English conversational video. So I at least I take 15 minutes, 15 to 20.
Okay, okay. That's good. Nice. So, so then, how do you got? How did you get? How to create channel? That is, means how do you get information? How to means how did create channel and how to upload and everything, please.
Actually, I have enough knowledge about YouTube, that how YouTube works, how to do any kind of things, how to upload video on mobile phone, on PC. So actually, I have learned this from myself by watching some videos on YouTube also.
Mhm. So when you uploaded first video, so how is the experience that time?
That time I didn't have any experience, less experience.
Yeah, but when I uploaded first video, I have uploaded. So I take means I took a very long process because my English English was also very broken now also, but that time very much broken, and so I had to edit so many things, and oh my God, so I feel irritated, but sometime at night 10 o'clock if I started up editing, so 12:30, sometime 1 o'clock, sometime if I edit video and get ready, so sometime unfortunately I delete it also because of I press a different button, so that thing also happened. So if you means face this kind of situation.
No, actually, could you please tell us that how long have you been running your YouTube channel?
I have been running this channel. I think 1.5 years completed maybe because 2018 February 2023 I have created my channel. Yeah,
Okay, so how many subscribers do you have?
I completed my subscriber and watch time everything. Now I'm earning, but I didn't get now that is a pin code because there is not what is dollar completed. That's why.
Green dollar.
Yeah. Yes,
Your
because
videos.
I have uploaded so many videos, so that's why I think my channel freeze now. So now I'm decided I have to take rest.
Okay,
What's
but
it?
trying we shouldn't stop. Okay.
I will upload in between one video means in 1 week means in a week 2 video if I but I want to take rest little bit because I think maybe 500 or 600 completed videos there were. That's why.
Actually,
Yeah.
could you please tell me that how do you complete 4,000 watch time?
4,000. I think I have means I have been uploading video every day. Every day means morning one video, big video, and evening time small video, shorts video. Yeah, but last 1 week I stopped that thing. Sometime I upload. Yeah,
I
so
thought
maybe
my
that's
question: how did you
yeah maybe
complete?
yeah maybe I have been uploading that regularly videos, so that's why maybe that watch time I completed. I don't know about that actually.
Okay. So how
Yeah.
many actually videos have you uploaded still now?
I think last 2 days I saw 2 or 3 days ago I saw, so I think 595 completed videos there were.
Oh no.
Oh no. Yeah, so that's why I want to take rest. Yeah.
Okay. Yes. So can we hang up this phone for today because it's
Yeah,
our study
absolutely.
time?
Yes, yes, absolutely. And nice to talk to you. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.